We just shipped a big upgrade to the file manager in Sydney. I'm Connor Burst, and I'm here to tell you about it. When you onboard new clients, a surprising amount of time goes into setup, recreating structure, re-uploading files, and double-checking what clients can see. So we focused on making the file module more systemized and more flexible than ever. You can now set up a default file structure once, so every new client portal you create starts with the same folders and files already in place. The way you organize your files is now how your clients see them, whether that's sorting by upload date or using drag and drop to set a custom order. And you control what clients can do in each folder. You can keep things internal, make folders view only, or allow full collaboration. When you're onboarding clients, the real cost is all the repeated setup and second guessing. This removes a lot of that. If you care about repeatable systems and clean client experiences, this update is for you. This is all live right now, so go check it out and let me know what you think. Thanks.